I was working with one of our new members in the PBT Institute yesterday, and she was so angry and so frustrated. She's like, I've been working on rebuilding with my husband for so long, and it just would probably be easier just to leave. Here's the thing. If you keep doing the same thing, you will keep getting the same thing. So even though she's been at it for a long time, she hasn't had the tools and the resources that would take her out of stage 3, the most common place we get stuck, and move her into stage 4, where transformation begins. You cannot have a new relationship with the person who hurt you if you continue to use the old tools. It's not your fault. It's what you know. It's what you have access to. But you can't bring a stage 4 or stage 5 relationship to you using stage 2, stage 3 tools. It is all about moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. If you will use those tools to move you to the next stage, that's exactly what will happen. But if you continue to use the tools that you know and that you have access to available to you in stage 2 and stage 3, that is exactly where you'll stay. I am not suggesting that this is easy, but it is predictable. There's a roadmap. It's the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Everybody has access to it. Check the link in my bio for whatever resource feels like a fit for you. But it doesn't matter how much time you've spent. The research proved it. I did the research. You cannot count on time. You can't even count on a new relationship to heal it. You know what heals it? Healing it. Deliberate and intentionally moving through the 5 stages. I hope that helps.